Should you withhold approval from load elements, you can document your decision with a reason in MELAtrace Pro. Please click on Load Management and on the Reasons tab to add, edit, or delete a reason. After clicking on the plus symbol, please write a meaningful description in the text box. The just generated reason has already been pre-selected for the washer disinfector and steam sterilizer approval procedure. Remove the blue X in the checkbox to deactivate the reason for the corresponding device type. Finally, please save your changes.